Hello everyone. Most traders only focus on one blockchain. But what if the next big opportunity isn't on Solana? In this video, I will show you the basics of cross-chain trading with Trojan and how traders expand beyond a single network. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined Trojan, you can use our referral code, which is CryptoWhale, which is being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for the referral link available in the description of the video. If you join through our referral link or our referral code, you can save money on your transaction gas fees forever. So what is cross-chain trading? Cross-chain trading means buying and selling tokens on different blockchains instead of staying on just one. For example, Solana, Ethereum based BNB chain. Each network has its own tokens, communities and opportunities. So why traders use multiple chains? The answer is different chains have different advantages. Some chains have new tokens faster, others have larger liquidity or bigger communities. By trading across multiple chains, traders can find opportunities in more markets instead of just one. So here's the step one: prepare your wallets. Before trading on multiple chains, you will need wallets that support those networks. For example, I am using this Phantom Solana wallet. Okay, so let me show you here. This is my Solana wallet here from the Phantom. Okay, so I'm using this one. So many traders use separate wallets for Solana trading, Ethereum based trading and other chains as well. This helps keep things organized and secure. So here's a step to fund the network you want to trade. Each blockchain uses its own gas tokens. For example, Sol for Solana, Ethereum for Ethereum, and BNB for BNB chain. So before trading, make sure your wallet has the correct token for transaction fees. So here's a step three: bridge funds between chains. If your funds are on one blockchain, you may need to bridge them to another network. Okay, a bridge transfer assets from one chain to another. Always double check addresses and networks before confirming bridge transaction. Okay, so here's a step for monitor markets on different chain. Each blockchain has its own decentralized exchange. Okay, and token launches. By monitoring multiple networks, traders can discover new token launches, high volume markets and emerging communities as well. So here's a step five: manage risks. Manage risk across chains. Trading on multiple chains also means managing more risks. Best practice is to spread capital across different opportunities instead of putting everything on one place. So that's all for today. Crypto moves fast and opportunities can appear on any chain. Understanding cross chain tradings helps you stay flexible and explore more markets. If this video helped you understand the basic, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trojan trading guidelines. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.